Hello, hello. It's the same night that that I recorded the third late night coding, but I felt like recording again, and I realized I was like talking to myself like a psychopath. So I figured, I may as well record. So here we are again. This is the second part. I'm working on this issue, which is implementing a feed with pagination in Late Night Coding 3. We got this all finished up on the back end, including test, and now I'm working on the front end, which is actually uh more time consuming for better or for worse. But whatever. Anyways, I started recording because I realized that I had kind of coded myself into a corner a little bit, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that in a moment. So right here, I have this URL, and if you've ever done anything with Django or probably other API frameworks, I'm assuming, you'll know that you have a function that looks like, hold on, let me think where I can find one. I can probably find one here. Uh, actually, yeah, I can find one right here. You probably have a function that looks like this, and it's called reverse for Django at least. And what it does is it takes in the name of a URL and then it returns the URL itself. So that way you can change the URL itself around. You can change uh, the URL above it. You can do whatever, but you can always just call reverse login and you'll get the correct URL. I don't have that on the front end though. I could make my own reverse function, and I probably should do that at some point. But the problem is, if I ever want to change uh, the first slash here, and I forget what this is actually called, but the first slash here to like API v2, I have to go and find every single API call and change it, which isn't actually that many, but still, it's poor coding on my part. So yeah, that's for better or for worse, I code myself into a bit of a corner, and I should probably make a reverse function at some point, but oh well, whatever. Anyways, back to the code itself. What we're doing is, in essence, pretty basic, hopefully. Post get post is equal to use state from React, and don't want to do that. Oh, geez, am I in cap? Oh, I'm in caps. That would make sense. Okay, well, either way, let me just go back here, undonk up my mistake, and we're gonna use effect because we want something to load on the first page. And now I should note that I haven't actually done anything yet in terms of page design, but I have a really clear idea of what I want to do. And let me pop open Figma so I can show you guys what I am thinking about at the moment. Uh, Hold on, let me push this to 5, go to 5, slide this over. There we go. So in terms of a feed, I don't have it designed for mobile yet, but I feel like that's going to be pretty basic. In terms of feed, it's really just going to look like this. It's super basic. There's nothing fancy about it. It's just a line of blog posts, and of course, I could in the future if I wanted to add stuff on the top here or whatever, I could do that. But right now it's not that fancy or anything. So yeah. Anyways, right now we are just making the fundamentals of the page, which is just getting the posts and then rendering them. So that should be set posts, set posts to res. Okay, awesome. And then what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna do div ID is equal to feed. That's probably not appropriate, but whatever, deal with it. And then from there, we're really just gonna render a blog post in. And actually, I just realized I have a blog post component because I realized that I render blog posts a lot. And yeah. Anyways, help if I put that in brackets, wouldn't it? Post.map. Let's see, this need to take and content and the index, and then that should return something that looks, I forget what this is called. Components, blog post thumbnail. That's what I want. Blog post. Why can't I import you? Whatever. Let me just go up here and import blog posts. Can I seriously not import it? My God. Post thumbnail from components. Blog post thumbnail. I don't know why I can't import that, but I can't. So yeah. Okay, well, whatever. Anyways, all we're really gonna do here is we're gonna do key is equal to index, title is equal to content dot title, username is equal to content dot username, and create date is equal to, I think, hold on. I mean, really, actually, I shouldn't even, I should just be rendering everything in there. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna keep it like this for now. It's fine. It's not that big of a deal. Anyways, username, create date, and then of course the content itself. Let me grep for this real quick because I forget what the created date is called in. There we go. The JSON response, but it's just this. And then we have one more, which is content, of course. That's the important stuff, isn't it? And yeah, that should actually be it for the most part. Of course, this is very basic, and I still have yet to implement any sort of pagination, but I do have a really good idea on how to do that. But for now, we're gonna go here. I'm gonna push this over to here so you guys can see this, and we're gonna go to feed. Let's see if it blows up in my face. Oh, it did blow up in my face. Let's see. I feel like I'm doing something wrong with the function call. Am I? Let me just see. It's just like one of those things where I think it's really basic, and I'm just tired and I'm forgetting. Oh yeah, I think it's re-rendering because I don't have this. Let me try this. Did I put that in the right place? I don't think I put that in the right place. Yeah, no, it needs to be here. And wait. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, that is right. Yeah, that's closing. What do you expect? Is that what you want? Okay, let me see. Well, okay, this does raise the issue that I need, well, actually two things. One, I need to make my error screen look a bit better, because if a user got this, they probably wouldn't be happy. Two, I just need to do this, if not posts, turn, there were no posts to be rendered. And actually, I'm going to return this inside a div, inside the feed div, just in case I use this to center the div, then yeah, that way I'm not donking stuff up. Anyways, why is this format so weird? This is why I feel like I'm doing something silly. Because, okay, looking at this, yes, I have an arrow function. And set arrow function. Oh, wait, do I need? Hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna, because I am tired as usual. Um, I'm just gonna do this because otherwise I feel like I'm gonna get feed dot then. Yeah, that looks the same as this use effect. Oh, what if I just do this? I mean, it can't be wrong, can it? Let's see. Okay. Um. Okay. So. Oh, that would make sense, wouldn't it? Okay. Um. Let me bring us back over. So. Okay. So this works great, which is awesome. But what doesn't work great is this. Oh, because that's. Oh my God. I need to get more sleep at night. I say this every time I record. I need to get more sleep at night because that's just the wrong route entirely. Okay, so let's hold on. This should go to helpers and then yeah, did I just oh yeah, I guess I just copied that. Um yeah, geez man. Okay, let's try that. Okay, oh blog posts. Blog. Okay, that is not an issue with my sleep, but now I'm getting another HTTP error or not HTTP error is something. Um Do I need to log out and log back in because I think I might. Oh no, I just realized that I forget the password here. Actually, I might. Oh, jeez. Uh, okay. Whew. Thank goodness. Okay, no, it's still mad at me. Um, is it just because I don't have the CSRF token? Um, I didn't think wait. I'm still sending a post, aren't I? I think I am. Okay, and how did OBS get moved over here? I don't even know, man. Good lord. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. This should be a get. And go back over here. And it's not rendering anything at the moment. It's probably just some silly error by me. But yeah, for now, at the very least, we are getting this, which is awesome. And it's returning in the correct order, which is also awesome. That makes sense. That is correct. So yeah, why is that not rendering though? Well, let's see. Is it? Yeah, there's nothing rendering in the feed. So oh, okay. Wait, no. Wait, no. That should be fine. Post content index, return blog post thumbnail, and get feed one, and then return the result. Yeah, that looks fine. Okay, what am I doing wrong then? It's my diff, by the way. Diff's fine. I don't need to worry about that. Yeah, what am I doing wrong? Because where else have I used blog post thumbnail? Let's start with that. I mean, that's pretty much the exact same thing. It's the goddamn braces. It's the goddamn braces. I do it every time, man. I do it every time. It's the braces. Oh no, now I need to figure out where I. Okay. see how that's okay. Let's go. Okay, awesome. Not sure why the user is undefined. Did I hold on? I might not have passed that in. Oh, user.username. There we go. User.username. Go back to here. There we go. That's awesome. All right. Um, I'd like to add something that could render the profile picture at some point, but yeah, for now it doesn't really matter. I'm just trying to get the basic site up and running. Okay. So the basic functionality of the feed works now. So now what I would like to do is implement some front end pagination. By that I mean I'm just gonna have a button. Okay, so I probably should have designed this first, but you know what? Screw it, let's do it. Okay, so content, so page, set page. We're gonna do some basic React coolness here. Default is 1. And so, okay, so at the bottom of the feed, we have a divider, or whatever it's called. I forget the technical name for a div. Anyways, we have this, and it is a input with a closing input because JSX needs that because it's yes, with the default value of page. And this is type number, and we're gonna have a oh jeez Louise, have a button, and we're going to also this whole thing is going to be wrapped in a form. Actually, this whole thing was going to be wrapped in a form like that. There we go. And this will be type submit, and this will be go, and I need a label for this. Label should be, let's see, it is going to be hidden. It's going to be HTML4 page, and the ID of this has to be page too. Okay. Anyways, okay, so label will be page number, and let's have a function form submit helper, and let's see, it just needs to take in an event e. So what we need to do first is e.prevent default, and then the form here we need to on submit we call a function e as form submit helper e. Beautiful. And then we simply, let's see, oh yeah, we're gonna just get feed 1. No, sorry. Sure, we're gonna be very fancy about this. Page is equal to e.target.value. I think that should be correct. We'll see, I guess. Get feed.page, then res set post res. Awesome. And oh yeah, that's where this needs to be on change. We take e and we pass it to set page e dot target dot value, and let's see where we are here. Let's see. Invalid. Blah 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 blah. Oh my god. Oh well. Okay, so it's undefined. Okay, yeah. So this is just yeah. This is wrong. I have a form submit helper elsewhere. Let me see. I just forget what this needs to be. So set form data. No, yeah, target that value should be fine. Our console log e. Hold on. Back to basics, baby. Back to basics. So we have a button. You see the button. So we're obviously getting the right form and stuff, which would be weird if we weren't, but still important to check. Yeah, we're gonna Google this. I don't think I need any of this anymore, by the way. Get value of input form React. And how to get the value of input field. Look, that's all great. I will read that later when I'm not recording. Please just do the TLDR. Where's the TLDR? Oh my goodness. Where is the TLD? Okay. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, yeah, because we don't need to get it. Ah, I'm being silly. We don't need to get it from here. We just need to, yeah, we should get it from there. And then we're good, hopefully. Go to the page. And now if I enter something like 2, okay, so I do, here's the thing. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. Here's the thing. Not post doesn't necessarily mean that post didn't return. It just means that it's undefined. So if there's like an error or something, right? But what you do, so what I need to do is to be actually, let me change render to be shown. Anyways, so if not post or post.length is equal to 0, then there we go. But we still need this, which is, we're just going to get a little function here. Function paginator. Shouldn't really need anything. I guess we'll figure out what it needs. I guess it needs a form submit helper. Return. Have form submit helper. Page set page. So that way I can reuse it elsewhere. Okay. So then I need to have me a programmer, I know, paginator, form submit helper is equal to form submit helper, and page is equal to page, and set page is equal to set page. Crazy, I know. And then paste this up here, up here, and see if I did that right. I can go back to 1 now. There we go. Awesome. And I think I'm going to cut the recording there. I don't want this running much longer than it already has. But yeah, that was a little bit of basic pagination. It was really quite simple. The only thing that I haven't tested with the pagination is that it actually limits it at 50, but I'm pretty confident that it does because it's simple. You can watch Late Night Coding #3, I believe, and see the actual backend code where I do that. It's dead simple. I played around with it and it makes sense why it works. So yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.